Alright friends, I'm glad you could join me for another video with Miss Hoagland. What we're going to do today is we're going to review all of our sound chunks. And then after we've reviewed all of our sound chunks, then we're going to go over the second grade sight word list, okay? Alright, here we go. Try to say these sounds as quickly as I do, okay? Or th, w, or h, y, I, E. A, aw, e, I, o, u, b, k, or s, d, f, g, j, h, j. O, p, qu, s, t, v, w, x, y, I, E. Z, oi as in boy. Oi as in toilet. Ooh or ooh or ooh or ow. Ow or o. Double E says E. The of her. The of nurse. The of first. R, or, this is two vowels go walking. The first one does the talking. A, U, or oo, sh, ch, I, or E, or eh, O, A, as in they, A as in play, F as in laugh, F as in phone, J as in budge, D, id, t, D, id, t. Makes three different sounds depending on the word. Ng, ng. Okay, last one. Ing. Good job. How'd you do? Did you remember them all? All right, if you can remember all those, then when we do these words, it's going to be a lot easier for you to tell what these words are if you don't know what they are. Okay? Here we go. Second grade high frequency words. If you are in second grade, the goal is that you know a majority of these words. If you are in third grade, the goal is that you know all of these words. All right, here we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go straight down the column, and I'll kind of point out if there is a chunk or something in it that you should know. So around has the OU, pull, help, walked, that AL says aw, okay. Children, oh, walked. The ED in this one says t. Children, do, family, put, know, think, buy, play, that AY says A, hello, today, another AY, cold, says, this is a hard word right here. You need that AY, it's not says, it says, it sounds like S-E-Z is what it sounds like. Green, we got the double E's. Second, no, the OW says O. Then we have three, air, pretty, funny, and window. And we have the OW says O again. All right, here we go. We have or, 5. I have the I, the E to the I. okay, the E to the I, and the VE. Until, bring, that's that ing. Make, that's the vowel to the E to the vowel. Those, E to the vowel. With, full, sing, ing. Places, E to the A. And the CE says mind, could, C, double E, says E. Both, long, find. Anytime you have a vowel in, you can never trust that in right there. You got to be flexible with that vowel sound. It looks like find, but it's actually find. We, bear, sleep, double E, myself, pictures, cried, and try. Here we go, next row, friends. Here we go. We have be, take, E to the A. Next, like, E to the I. Comes, I see E to the O, but that does not work. It is actually, the E does not work in this word. It's actually comes. The E to the U, use. City, the CI says it, E. School, the double O. Other, we have the ER. This, cheer, ear. That one doesn't work. The EAD is going to give you a short E sound. Okay, that's almost a majority of the times. 100, little, eat, I have the EA. Then I have table, animals, she, most, work, car, AR, told, and he. Before, or, this is the ORE right here. Open, happy, yellow, the OW. Okay, then we have dark, R. Then we have show, OW. Then we have many, really, go, was. This one's a heart. Another, light. Ooh, we didn't have that one. IGH says what? I. Okay, hard, the AR. Then we have two, along, night, another IGH. Girl, on IR. Slowly, OW. First, IR. Two, all, up here. Sky, hair, AI. And warm, AR. This one does not work. It is not warm, it's warm. Okay? We're going to go over the second trimester words. We have my, few, that EW says you. Starts, AR. Afraid, AI. Own, OW. Kept, would, better, ER. They, EY. Old, kind, that kind is a vowel, N. Grow, OW. Some, that one does not work because it looks like some and it's actually some. Against, you don't hear the A. Morning, or an ing. Different, someone. Everything, that one has a ER and an ING in it. Story has an OR. Party has an AR. Front, that's a vowel N. That vowel's not working like it's supposed to. It says Stories, we have the OR. This row right here, we have I. This one just does not say what it's supposed to say. People, E-O. High, I-G-H again. Might, I-G-H again. For. Why? Because. Right, this is that A-U saying because. Right, I-G-H again. Me. You, the O-U saying ooh. R, A-R. Then more, or. This is a chunk right here. Heard, this one you just gotta know. Hold, bird, I-R, a bird. Part, A-R. About, the O-U says ow. Store, her, world. World does not work. It looks like world. It's world. It actually says good. Started, arted, and never. All right, now we're going to go to the back. All right, here we go, friends. Ready? We're just going to go through these. Here we go. After, off, ever, thought, fly, said, horse, room, carry, teacher, always, soon, draw, words, baby, sounds, aisle, laugh, being, tall, across, one, how, and voice. Here we go. New, care, small, also, river, have, something, blue, sure, else, anything, been, watch, are, please, good, to, begins, stood, ground, nothing, house, took, book, over, live, look, gone, saw, any, studied, doing, turned, mother, under, friends, is, didn't, talk, I've, ready, flower, very, behind, out, move, boy, into, field, what's, down, large, great, here, brothers, there, ball, hour, learn, young, ago, head, every, outside, even, water, above, should, happen, while, near, who, 7, pushed, door, together, found, everyone, toward, coming, new, give, right, began, surprised, earth, only, here, were, again, goes, don't, won't, called, town, maybe, loved, falling, want, ate, wash, paper, your, dear, sometimes, money, does, there, floor, idea, for, though, away, learning, brown, without, done, through, leaves, follow, alone, by, tomorrow, father, where, enough, sorry, lived, now, upon, once, woman, almost, remember, from, and years. All right, friends, good job. You made it all the way through. Remember, if you will always think about our sounds that we were practicing right here, all these sounds, then that will make sense when you're doing any words that you don't know, okay? So always reflect back on those sounds and try to use them. If they don't make sense, be flexible with what the sound makes. Remember, every vowel makes at least 2 sounds, at least 2 different sounds, okay? So it could be either one of them. The B is always going to say B. The M is always going to say okay? There are several letters. Most of the consonant letters are going to remain the same. They're not going to be flexible like the vowels are, so you need to make sure that you're always flexible with your vowels. All right, friends, thanks for joining me today for a little fluency word work on our 2nd grade high frequency words and our letter sounds. Thank you, friends.